All right. So, are you aware that you have a warrant
Yes,
out of West?
I called yesterday at the courthouse, and they told me that I have to put a 10% down payment until my court date, and then I told them that I would go in on Monday for it because I was just waiting because I don't know if they were open today and tomorrow's Easter, so I was just waiting until Monday because I didn't have time yesterday because I work at the All Seasons.
Can you just step out of the car for me real quick? I just have trouble hearing you. It's from here, so I want to try and help explain all this to you so you're aware of what's actually going on. You said you went to the West Long Branch Court yesterday to try and handle that?
I called them yesterday.
You called them?
Yes.
Okay. So the thing is, we have to get that taken care of, right?
Yeah,
it's not like we could just wait, all right? So you're going to have to be placed under arrest, and you're going to have to come to our police department, all right? We're already in talks with West Long Branch. It's not up to us, unfortunately. It's up to their court clerk to decide what they want to do on the warrant. If it's the $1,000 traffic warrant for previous traffic violations that you failed to go to court for.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's $1,000, no 10%.
Yeah, because I called yesterday and I asked them, and she told me that I was able, when I go in on Monday, that I'm able to sign off that I can do the 10% down payment.
With the court, you might be able to do that, but with us, we can't. So, but we're gonna wait to hear back from West Long Branch. All right, can you post the $1,000 bail or no? Okay, so we're gonna take you in. All right, hopefully it'll be nice and quick. And hopefully they'll send over an ROR, which is, I'm not sure if you know what that is, but it's a release on your own recognizance, right? Okay. So that means that they're just going to give you another court date, right? Okay. You don't have to pay any money, so it might actually end up being the best. But we do as
my mom's birthday right now.
I'm sorry.
That's where I'm going. Yeah, I'm sorry. Can I get my phone or?
Yeah, great. Well, you could grab your phone. You could grab your phone and grab your purse, and we'll put it on the back of the car here. And then we're gonna have to put you in handcuffs and bring you down to the police department. And then we're gonna do what we can to get you out as quick as possible. All right?
What do I do with this?
With the car, we can leave it parked right here. Okay. Let me get your keys. I'll roll the windows up, and then I'll lock the car and everything. All right. You want to help him with her? All right. So, ma'am, hold on. Give me your phone and your purse. I'm gonna hold on to this. Yep, I'll hold on to that. He's going to place you under arrest, okay? And then he's going to put you in the back car. You don't have anything else on you. I know you don't really have pockets or anything.
No,
so.
I have no pockets.
Okay, so he's going to put handcuffs behind your back. He's going to place you in the car. And like I said, we're going to bring you down. We're already talking to West Long Branch. We're already getting all the paperwork going, okay? So we're going to try and get this ball rolling as fast as we can, right? And try and get you out so you can get to your mom's birthday party. Okay. But like I said before, it's not my decision or anybody else here.
I understand that.
So
is this going to be on my record? Because I'm going to the Air Force in probably less than 3 months, and I don't know if it's going to mess it up or...
I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
In this case, it's like bad timing because you were trying to get it taken care of, and then you ended up getting stopped.
I know. Yeah.
But we have when there's a warrant, we have to act on it.
Okay.
We can't,
I understand.
We can't not. Okay.
So. That's fine.
Just the one, right? All right, so it's just that one warrant for $1,000. No 10%, right?
Okay.
Like I said, the court might work with you. You can bring her over to the car.
We're going into this one right here.
How do you say your first name?
Kaylane.
Kaylane?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just going to wait to see what West Long Branch says, and...
So we're just going to get you inside, like I said, and then we'll get... Just going to take your picture, no fingerprints or anything like that. And then, as far as with your record for the military, I can't speak to that. I don't really know. I would just say, because we're paramilitary, they consider us military bearing and all that stuff. And I know in our line of work, the best thing is to be honest with your commanding officer. So I just wouldn't lie. Then you'll definitely be in some trouble. So yeah.
You have her stuff?
It's on the front seat. Front seat, her car's locked.
Okay.
I'll follow you in. Busted. You got your body camera on? Cool.
Yeah.
Kaylane, right? Yeah. Let's see, once you get you on the bed, so you can take pictures out. Oh, good. To the bench. But I'll give you a little step here. Can you see it? Shut your car off, too. And this one uses a captain in the answer. And he's had quite the career. ROTC in Hawaii, University of Hawaii, and then he did. He went into like the intelligence side of things.
Yeah, I'm going to
Texas for a few years.
Forces.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
leaving for boot camp in June.
Nice.
My brother's going to boot camp for the Army in June. I wonder if it's...
I don't know if it's all the same thing, like together or
Yeah,
not.
I
They
don't know.
go to Texas.
Does that make sense? No, he's going to Georgia.
Yeah, no, they don't usually do basic training all in the same place. It's usually like each branch has their own.
Yeah, I'm going to Lakeland in Texas. We'll be there for technically 2 months for boot camp, and then I have another 2 months in Texas.
Cool. That's awesome. And thank you for that. We need people like you.
That's true.
Yeah, my buddy had quite the career. He, after Texas, like intelligence school in Texas for like a year and a half, 2 years, he got his first base was Aviano Air Force Base in Italy.
Oh, that's cool.
And he was like, dude, you drive 2 hours in any direction, you could be in like 10 different countries.
Yeah, I know.
They would go to Lithuania all the time. He was cool. Yeah, I'll help him out in here. You could just, if you figure out the paperwork side of things for us, we can get her mom's birthday. It's her mom's birthday today. She's got to get to a party.
Yeah, that's why I had the balloons.
And she's got the balloons in the back of her car.
Oh, no.
I hope you don't explode. Oh, my God. It's alright. She has no idea right now.
That's all right. Well, hopefully this will be quick.
Yeah, I'm not even going to tell her anything. She's probably going to, like, pass out.
They're calling everything. I think we can take you out now.
Yeah, I'm not going to run away. Don't worry.
You can try, but I know you're a little younger than me. You're probably in better shape, but you're in high heels, so
Yeah, I'm not.
you better be. You're going to the Air Force.
I don't think it's cool, though. I don't think I'd make it to the door.
No, probably not me. I don't know. I'll take it this. You can just sign right there.
Okay.
It's just saying that you're arrested on the warrant, you're released, you're aware of the release on your own recognizance, and that you're aware of the court date on May 12th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
And you're signing that you're going to show up. All right, Boyce, you can take her back.
Okay.
Our fax machine's giving us a fit, but you did what you need to do, so you're good to go.
Thank God.
Yeah, sorry
I
about
thought I
all
was
that.
going to jail today. I was like, oh,
No, I told you we were going to do a weekend and then not, but I
Should
told you not
I
to.
stop and start a new one, or just keep?
No, you just keep it rolling, because this is just your courtesy transport. Click the button on your visor, the door should close. Don't back into the Buzzy's trailer. Over
Is
there.
it open or closed right now?
The door is probably still open. I didn't close it, so. And then I'll bring this, save everything and log out, and then when you come back, grab that stuff and you need to swap them.
Okay. No problem. You got the belt. No problem. And then should be everything. Purse, keys.
Thank you. Thank
No
you.
problem.
I'm about to take my shoes off. I promise I won't speak.
You're good.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good one.